Hey guys, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your Snapchat message history. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. I have Snapchat open here, and I'll show you several different options. You have to view your messages and kind of what you've said back and forth with Snapchat friends in the past. All you have to do to first start is to tap on the messages icon at the bottom left here, and you can see this is a list of all the messages. And we can go through all these messages. You can scroll down and see all these different messages. However, say we want to just go to a random one and view that message, so you can see that I tap on this group message, and it doesn't show me anything that this has been deleted or removed. However, if I go back and say go to more, one of the more recent ones, if I go to this conversation, if I scroll down in the white area, you can see pops up old messages that we've sent back and forth. The thing about Snapchat is that messages get deleted often, and you have to make sure that you find a way to preserve that, and make sure you find a way to save those if you want to see those again. So if not enough time has elapsed, or if it's a certain type of message, it will stay and won't get deleted. However, let's just go to a recent message. Say here to save a message so that you can see it in the future and go back and see your message history. All you have to do is tap and hold. I'm tapping and holding on where it says hi, and you can see it says save in chat. So because I saved it in chat, it'll always be there. Snapchat won't delete it. It'll keep that message there so that it can go back and see that history. That's what I would recommend doing for importing or messages that you like a lot. Another thing you can always do is screenshot. But again, of course, Snapchat will notify them if you screenshot. Another really cool way to see your entire message history is you can go at the top left here. You can go hit on your profile icon, and then top right you can hit on the settings button. And then from there you can scroll all the way down towards the bottom, right under account actions. You can see clear cache and then clear conversations. You can tap on Clear Conversations, and you can see your whole list of conversations here. The point of this is meant to allow you to delete these messages in the conversations, but you can see all your conversations and your message history here. So that's it. Those are a couple of different options you have in terms of viewing your message, history, and Snapchat. Hope this helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and make sure to subscribe. Thanks.